Now I want to create these charts. Okay, I want to create the first one that shows me two areas. The first one is the tickets are raised in total versus the ones that have been closed. Then here I want to see the closing rate, closing ticket rate, and then we have here and here I show the closing and result tickets rate together, and here tickets closed per day. Okay, I want to show these three dashboards. I'm gonna close this. So the first thing I'm gonna do, I have here something that I already saved before. Chart dates. If I go into formulas, we don't have it. So we are going to create our charts using ranges which are dynamically created. So I'm not going to create a dashboard or a chart using data that are displayed here. I want to vary them according to the selection, for example, of the last testing date. Then I'm starting to do the following. I'm going to select these two until the end. Okay, I'm gonna click on insert, and here I'm going to select the charts that I want to select. Okay, this one, but I'm gonna change this. I want to have area. Here we have this one. Okay, this is exactly our chart. Okay, I'm gonna put this here for the moment, and here is this title is equal to this title. We are going to modify later. For the moment, we leave this as it is. Chart title, more options. Now we're going to take this and we're going to define a range. Okay, we're going to define a range. I'm gonna select. If you remember, we have this one is our area. Okay, or even here, this one, because this is where we have the tickets. Formulas, define name, chart dates, or even chart underscore dates. Okay, we're gonna modify this because we have this done in this way. Chart dates is offset of G2, okay, or also G23, and here we have 0, 0, because we have the same column. We start from the same row and the same column. Row we don't specify because it's the same, and for the column we are doing the count if. Here, remove this, we don't need. From G23 to, it was AH23, so I select all the range, and this so here we have this name manager. Okay, that's good. Then I need to do the same here for the other formulas, where I'm going to tickets raised in total. And this one is substituted to get, starting from G24, starting from this one, so I'm gonna copy this. Okay, here I'm gonna select data, edit, series is, and then I'm going to define a name. Okay, the formula is this one, the name is this one. So I said, now I'm going to select this, and here I have chart dates, and here I have tickets raised in total. I'm selecting both, it's not good. And here we have raised in total. Again, tickets. I'm going to identify formulas, manage, edit. And here, unfortunately, when I do this, select data input, I leave calculation, and then the range name here. Done. Then we're doing the same, we're going to do the same to the other one. Select data, OK, and OK. And again to my file, tickets closed. We have now 25. I can also vary this if you want. Sorry, ticket close. I select this, define name, and here, and I'm going to copy the offset here. I'm going to select data, you can see that's good. Edit this one. This is chart dates. Remember? And I'm done. Now I'm going to select this, something happened, format axis, number. Yes, here we are. So can I save this? If I'm going to cut this and put it in my dashboard here. Okay, at the very beginning, like this, yeah. Then I want to see inputs here, cut, paste. Okay, so we just move this one from the inputs to the other one. I will do the same with this, Control X, okay, dashboard, and Control V. Then I'm gonna change this later, okay? Okay, inputs, Control X, dashboard, like this, okay? And I'm gonna delete this, we don't need this anymore. Okay, here we are. I can also do like this for the moment. This is what we should do. And here I'm going to delete left. I want this on the left, okay? So if I'm going to change this, now you can see that our dashboard is changed, okay? Now we need to change the chart title here. Here, our calculation, okay? Here, this one, and versus, and this one, okay? And then in the dashboard, this one is equal to this one. Okay, here we are. Okay, this one is home, okay? Title, chart titles. I'm gonna put this here, and this one is this one, and versus this one, okay? And this is equal to also for the other ones, or I can give you an exercise for you that you get this and you create one. You know what I'm doing? I'm going to create this one, and the last two are for you.